Hi, this is Glenn White with EuroSafety. Today I'd like to discuss flight training. At one point or another, you will be or you have been a student, and there's also a good chance at one point or another you'll be tasked to instruct. Now, one of the problems I've seen out there is neither one of the participants in the training event understands their roles or the goal of the flight. It's often the case in flight training that the instructor tells the student what they want as a result of the maneuver, and then the student tries their best to demonstrate to the instructor that maneuver. And what occurs is more akin to a check ride rather than a training event. The true synergy in flight training comes from understanding our roles, and this is where all the magic happens. I have a simple question for you. If it's not going well during a training flight, whose fault is that? That's correct, it's ours, the instructor. At EuroSafety, we have a simple philosophy. If the student is not doing well at a maneuver, it's our fault and responsibility to figure out how to get the performance out of the student. Whether it be an analogy or a different way of explaining control inputs or a demonstration, it's our job to produce the skill sets. We're not evaluators, we're instructors, we're facilitators of skill. It's not the student's job to demonstrate to us, the instructor, the maneuver, but rather to simply absorb the teaching points. This mindset shift from performance to learning can make all the difference. With this mindset, the student does not need to worry about performance, but simply be open to learning. With this mindset, the student is far more likely to learn because when the student thrives, it's our collective success. I hope you can use these learning and teaching points the next time you're involved in a training event, and we'll see you at the next EuroSafety educational course.